didn't really know what we were getting into. It was our first house. And so we thought we were buying like let's make some cosmetic changes, and it pretty quickly became obvious we were talking about like a total gut and redo.
Working with Lindsay on the design process has been fantastic. I've been able to send her a lot of inspiration photos, and she points out really nice fine details that she tries to highlight in our potential design going forward, and it's been great.
I've wanted to hit this wall since we bought it. All right, let's go ahead. That felt pretty good.
We both work full-time jobs, so we were looking for a company that would really take some of it off of our hands, and Marvista really is that design and build firm, so it works out that they are fully capable of their team handling the entire process.
I think knowing what was originally there and how awkward the layout of the original house was, the kitchen stuns me every time.
Some of our own family didn't believe that this could be the end goal, having seen the house before any of it had been started. It has exceeded my expectations. I knew coming into this house that it could be great, but I didn't know how great the end goal really would be. And it was a great process to work with you.